हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एमएस सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स के उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स बताऊंगा जो एमएसबीटी एग्जाम में पूछे गए थे, जिससे आप लोग इजीली आपके मार्क्स कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो। मैंने आंसर की ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, आंसर की ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन अकाउंट, आंसर की ऑफ इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग और आंसर की ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑलरेडी अपने चैनल पे अपलोड की है। अगर आपने उसे नहीं देखा है तो आई बटन पे क्लिक करके आप उसे देख सकते हो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आंसर की मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, all the cracks portion are cut to a dash groove cleaned and sealed with rich cement mortar. Option A U shape, option B S shape, option C V shape, option D Z shape. The right answer is V shape. Question number 2. In the carbonation test, carbonated concrete shows the color as option A grey, option B yellow, option C pink, option D red. The right answer is pink. Question number 3. Interior walls of a building have developed crack. Give suitable remedial measures. Option A fill cracks by cement mortar. Option B fill cracks by bitumen. Option C use waterproofing compound. Option D fill cracks by sand. The right answer is fill crack by cement mortar. Question number 4. The cracks which are less than 1 mm in masonry work are called as option A medium crack, option B wide crack, option C thin crack, option D extra wide crack. The right answer is thin crack. Question number 5. A special structure audit has been done in case of option A age related damage, option B change of user, option C regular audit, option D none of these. The right answer is age related damage. Question number 6. The corrosion of reinforcement due to extreme exposure is common for the structure located in option A dry condition, option B coastal zone, option C regional zone, option D hot condition. The right answer is coastal zone. Question number 7. To repair the damage caused by water and draw up the program of repair according to the priorities comes under dash maintenance. Option A post monsoon, option B special, option C pre monsoon, option D remedial. The right answer is post monsoon. Question number 8. At the time of structure audit, following one of the tests will not come under chemical test. Option A chloride test, option B sulfate test, option C carbonation test, option D half cell potentiometer test. The right answer is half cell potentiometer test. Question number 9. A structure found 10 mm wide and 1 meter long crack should be repaired by following technique. Option A jacketing, option B rebarring, option C plastering of structure, option D stitching. The right answer is stitching. Question number 10. The portion of the wall near the kitchen and sanitary unit is seen always damp. This type of defect is not noticed in the rest of building. The probable reason: option A use of bad material of construction, option B improper drainage, option C bad workmanship, option D effect of atmospheric agencies. The right answer is improper drainage. Question number 11. If insufficient cover is provided to the reinforcement, in that case cracks develop are called as option A flexural cracks, option B tension cracks, option C corrosion cracks, option D shear cracks. The right answer is corrosion cracks. Question number 12. Shotcrete method is mainly used to repair option A new brick wall, option B old brick wall, option C reinforced brick wall, option D all of the above. The right answer is old brick wall. Question number 13. Select a suitable coating material that is extensively used for concrete water tanks, swimming pools and are specially formulated for tough abrasion resistant concrete floor. Option A bituminous cutback, option B epoxy coating, option C chlorinated rubber coating, option D vinyl coating. The right answer is epoxy coating. Question number 14. Mention the category of repair material listed below: polyisobutylene sheet, glass fiber, reinforced plastic, latex-cement coating. Option A surface coating material, option B grout material, option C waterproofing material, option D adhesive material. The right answer is waterproofing material. Question number 15. Rehabilitation of the structure may be required due to several reasons. Choose correct reason. Option A, environmental effect. Option B, tensile effect. Option C, compressive effect. Option D, range effect. The right answer is environmental effect. Question number 16. The cracks in the vicinity of ground and passing through D.PC up to opening indicates. Option A, settlement of foundation. Option B, shear failure of walls. Option C, over-stressing of masonry wall. Option D, overloading of masonry walls. The right answer is overloading of masonry walls. Question number 17. Dash are used in construction to prevent fluid and other substance from passing through material surface, joint or openings. Option A, surface coating material. Option B, bonding material. Option C, adhesive material. Option D, joint sealant material. The right answer is joint sealant material. Question number 18. In the case of dormant cracks wider than 1 mm, it is more economical to use. Option A, epoxy resin. Option B, grouting. Option C, tensioning. Option D, ranging. The right answer is grouting. Question number 19. The maintenance work done to avoid the defect to be occurred in the structure is called dash maintenance. Option A, remedial. Option B, prevention. Option C, routing. Option D, special. The right answer is prevention. Question number 20. Carbonation test has been performed at the time of structural audit for the purpose to. Option A, assess depth of carbonation. Option B, assess total water acid soluble chlorides. Option C, assess total water by acid soluble sulfate content. Option D, assess alkalinity of concrete. The right answer is assess depth of carbonation. Question number 21. The cleaning of reinforcement thoroughly to remove all rust of bars can be done by. Option A, sand blasting. Option B, jacketing. Option C, shotcreting. Option D, rebarring. The right answer is sand blasting. Question number 22. For maintenance and repair of welding, budget is very important to minimize. Option A, expenses. Option B, saving. Option C, equipment. Option D, task force. The right answer is expenses. Question number 23. In the structure audit, preparing distress map, preparing plans, load transfer plan, detail of strengthening has been carried out after. Option A, preliminary inspection. Option B, secondary inspection. Option C, detailed inspection. Option D, intermediate inspection. The right answer is detailed inspection. Question number 24. In masonry cases of heavily loaded members, shear distress is observed near the. Option A, edge. Option B, span. Option C, length. Option D, support. The right answer is edge. Question number 25. The soil which is made up without compaction will have poor. Option A, bearing capacity. Option B, permeability. Option C, consolidation. Option D, compaction. The right answer is bearing capacity. Question number 26. Development of one or more local swelling on the finished plaster surface is called. Option A, efflorescence. Option B, peeling. Option C, blastering. Option D, cracking. The right answer is blastering. Question number 27. Honey combine is caused due to. Option A, chemical reaction. Option B, inadequate compaction. Option C, lack of curing. Option D, shock waves. The right answer is inadequate compaction. Question number 28. The unhealthy condition are experienced by occupants if there is presence of. Option A, crack developed. Option B, wind by air. Option C, dampness. Option D, shrinkage. The right answer is dampness. Question number 29. Epoxy adhesive are used in the manufacturing of. Option A, glass. Option B, fabric. Option C, plywood. Option D, plastic. The right answer is plastic. Question number 30. Which technique are used to reduce the soil settlement? Option A, stone column. Option B, piles. Option C, casting piles. Option D, all of above. The right answer is all of above. Question number 31. Cement slurry, mortar, polymer modified cement slurry, zinc rich epoxy are example of dash in use today. Option A, bounding aids. Option B, repair mortar. Option C, rebar primer. Option D, sealant. The right answer is rebar primer. Question number 32. The process whereby a section of an existing structure member is restored to original dimension or increased in size by enhancement with cement or polymer modified cement concrete is called as option A, rebarring, option B, grouting, option C, jacketing, option D, stretching. The right answer is jacketing. Question number 33. When the concrete slab is to be extended on the side beam or slab whose dwell bar are not provided for extension purpose, then dash of the reinforcement can be done. Option A, stretching, option B, rebarring, option C, jacketing, option D, grouting. The right answer is rebarring. Question number 34. The cracks develop parallel to the main reinforcement in R.C.C structures are called as option A, flexural crack, option B, shear cracks, option C, tension cracks, option D, corrosion cracks. The right answer is corrosion cracks. Question number 35. Structural audit of buildings is necessary to identify shortfall in structure, and it is also important to suggest option A, strengthening and repair scheme, option B, importance of financial audit, option C, estimated cost of building, option D, none of the above. The right answer is estimated cost of building. Question number 36. The process of maintaining the structure and its components to keep it functioning to an optimum condition is called dash maintenance. Option A, corrective, option B, emergency, option C, preventive, option D, periodically. The right answer is preventive. Question number 37. Dash are provided to steel reinforcement and structural steel to enhance resistance against corrosion. Option A, rebar primer, option B, adhesive material, option C, sealant, option D, grout material. The right answer is rebar primer. Question number 38. To control corrosion, concrete with dash is used. Option A, low permeability, option B, low thermal coefficient, option C, more cement content, option D, more coarse aggregate. The right answer is low permeability. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. All questions is taken from student feedback. Question position or option may or may not be same as your exam. Thank you for watching this video.